Hi, my name is George Tallabas, and I'm an associate broker with RE/MAX Executives here in Southwest Idaho. Today is Monday, the 21st of September 2020, and I wanted to talk to you today about the Forbearance Act of 2020 and foreclosures. What is forbearance? Well, in March of this year, in fact, it was March 18 of 2020, a Corona Act was put into place that ends on December 31st, 2020. And what it does is anybody that's been affected by the coronavirus and lost their job because of the coronavirus, it basically gave them the right to forego judicial or non-judicial foreclosure by their lenders to avoid it. And basically, what's happened is a lot of the people around the country have taken advantage of that act and are waiting to see what happens with their home. Well, I was contacted by a title company officer last week, and she contacted me and basically said that her department said that Idaho was going to, and specifically Southwest Idaho, was going to be hit with quite a few foreclosures here in the next year because of the Forbearance Act. And I said to her, I really question that with a caveat. And this is what I said to her. First of all, there's a tremendous shortage of listings in Southwest Idaho, and it's even kind of scary to a lot of buyers that are trying to buy houses. My view is anybody that is facing foreclosure, and it's a small percentage here in Idaho due to the coronavirus, my guess is those sellers are going to put their home on the market and let it be absorbed by the marketplace where there's a shortage of buyers before they allow their home to go into foreclosures. Now, the caveat that I gave her and that I give you folks is we have a presidential election coming up in November. And anything that happens with that presidential election that would change the current environment in the country, economic climate, could determine the outcome of these foreclosures. For instance, right now the economy is very strong. If things stayed very status quo, so to say, I don't believe those foreclosures are going to hit the market and have an effect on the marketplace. But if something changes in that presidential election, and for instance, a corporate tax rate, which is now 24%, escalates and forces many corporations out of the country, you never know what will happen. And many of those people that have lost their jobs will never get a job, and more of those foreclosures could hit the marketplace. So that's basically what my opinion is right now about this forbearance situation, foreclosures, and will they affect the market or will they not affect the market? So that's my opinion, and I wanted to share it with you. If you have any questions, my information will be at the end of the video and below in the description. I hope you have a great day, and thanks for listening to me. Bye.